Westside High School is known for its strong programs like magnet and CTE pathways that are getting students ready for their futures to a wide range of student clubs. When we visited the campus, the real spotlight was shining inside the school's theater department. I stopped by a tech theater class and talked to senior Mariah Ford and junior Nicholas Ortiz. They tell me the school's theater program is all about giving them the space to create, collaborate, and grow both on and off the stage.
I mean, I've always had an interest in the technical aspect of the theater, backstage, because my friend Matthew is our tech deputy, so I've always been very interested in trying to understand the intricacies of the lighting and sound production like that. So I think that's the biggest part for me personally.
I'm an actor, but I also have I have a pretty big interest in tech as well, because I think that the way you're able to create art in a way where it's not performance is also super meaningful to theater, the creation of theater as a whole.
They also say the theater program is well-rounded, giving them the chance to see every part of production.
100%. I mean, our company is pretty tech-heavy as is, but our core actors are just really amazing talent. I mean, Mariah, for example, is a really talented actor. I'm also an actor, but I'm not gonna gas myself up too much. But we have.
Y'all are both great, okay?
Yeah, but we have amazing actors, actresses. We have amazing. A lot of them are amazing singers.
I agree. I think our theater program is incredibly well-rounded. We have people of all different ages, all different ethnicities. It's super diverse, so we hear everybody's background. I think it's such a beautiful experience. It's so amazing, and I'm so grateful to be able to be a part of it.
Westside High School's theater program, giving students a sense of community and the chance to be seen.
I'll be downtown, get a nice studio, get out of the barrio,
and heard.